happy birthday to me. Ubhuti wami ngithengele ikhekhe. Angazi noma uqonda ufunde kanjani ukuthi ngifuna ikhekhe lase-Woolworths. So like ube nalento lokuthi ubaba bekenza sure ukuthi nge-birthday at least ikhekhe and i-drink uyazithola. So wathi mntase nali khekhe ujabule. Yo bengijabule kanjani. Not knowing that there's more coming, guys. There's more. Yo.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Le bengakayilindelanga ke le guys. Lesi sikhathi negezi ihambile and ngimangela umuntu makathi le gezi ihambile ngithi mina yangithi maybe afuna u-charge or something. Kanti umuntu up to something, guys. Mina ngisahleli nabantwana bami ngithi ngibasikela ikhekhe lami, guys. Yo, I was so happy and I really appreciate bafo for lento ngenzele yona. But ke into engiyaziyo ngabantwana basekhaya, they make sure ukuthi ngiy-enjoy i-birthday yami. Last year sesomangkhipha ngaya ku-body massage. This year it's my brother. Uthi namhlanje let me show you how romantic I am. Okay? Yazini futhi nje ngibona isikhwele umfazi azomthatha because uzomspoiler. But yeah, I understand as baba ngeValentine bazovela mama nama flowers and what. Yabona nje